hungry.
Bye-bye. I would like a healthy snack.
Abby is ready for her snack. Me so hungry for a piece of salmon.
Cookie. Apple. I want an apple.
Let's make something in the oven.
Oh, nom 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 nom. Cookie ready to cook.
Let's make something in the oven.
Oh, Cookie loves corn. Nom 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 nom.
Me want to cook with you.
Ah, Cookie. Corn nom 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 nom.
Do any of me
Twinkle out.
Cookie.
Let's sing song for a song.
We love to cook and eat with me friends. When we cook together, the fun never ends.
We use healthy fruits and veggies almost like when they crunch.
Then we have cookie after me lunch. Oh, stove is off now. It's not hot anymore. Me so hungry for an oatmeal cookie. Oh, stove is on now. Too hot to touch.
Cookie.
Cooking.
Time to eat. Let's make something in the oven. Let's make something in the oven. Oh, stove is off now. It's not hot anymore.
Bye-bye. I would like a healthy snack.
Bye bye, Cookie.